back to the channel. So today we bought a Predator 2000 watt portable generator. We will put this in the back of the truck when we are RV transporting. So it will run a probably electric blanket or a small heater in the truck, and maybe even the block heater if needed. So let me get the tripod set up and we'll start unboxing it. Okay, here we've got the control panel, have our off, run, and start, low oil switch, overload, and our output, economy throttle on and off, the ground wire, a couple AC 120 volt outlets. There's our 12 volt DC, 8 hours, and the reset button, and parallel outlets so that you can hook two of them together. Now, the units do not come with oil. You have to put oil in them. And this one I'm putting Pennzoil 5W30. So we'll put some oil in it and take it out to the garage and put some gas in it and start. The unit also does have a fuel gauge on it. All right, here's the side panel where you take it off to get to the oil fill. Oil fill is down there. And that is the inside of it. I did try to put this cover back on in it. It's probably just takes a little getting used to, but it's pretty kind of difficult to get put back on. But I'm not going to put it on yet because I'm going to go out and put oil in it. So I'll be back. So just so you're aware, filling this with oil is kind of a joke. You really got to be careful because it'll spill. Okay, so it is running. It did take about 5 pulls for it to start. I thought I hit record, but I did. Open this up. The heater just kicked on. Close the vent, and that should work. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.